Here are my 5 favorite dishwasher hacks that you need to try. We're gonna be counting down and I don't want you to miss number 1. It's probably the easiest on this list, but also the most effective. If your cutlery always has water spots or just looks tarnished, before you run your next cycle, take some aluminum foil, crumple it up into a ball, and place it in your cutlery tray. Then run your dishwasher on a normal cycle. The combination of aluminum, hot water, and your dishwasher detergent creates a chemical reaction that lifts silver sulfide, also known as tarnish. This process will leave your cutlery looking shiny and spot-free. Are your dishes still wet when you empty the dishwasher? Next time your dishwasher finishes a cycle, take a tea towel or a hand towel and lay it over the door of your dishwasher, with the majority of the towel inside the dishwasher. Now close the door and let it sit for about 15 minutes. The towel will absorb all the moisture in the dishwasher and leave your dishes dry and spotless. Here's an easy way to wash your hats. Place your hats on the top rack of the dishwasher, add some detergent, select the coldest and shortest wash cycle, and make sure you turn off the heat dry setting to avoid shrinkage and damage. If your hats are overly stained, spray them with a pre-wash treatment first. Once the cycle is complete, remove the hats from the dishwasher and place them on a drying rack. Once the hats are dry, they'll look clean and new and smell fresh and clean. Here's a simple homemade dishwasher detergent that you can use in a pinch. Add 3 drops of normal dish soap to the dishwasher compartment and fill the rest with baking soda. Typically, you don't want to use dish soap in your dishwasher because it can create too much suds and potentially cause a flood. But the baking soda counteracts the dish soap to eliminate that concern. Run your dishwasher on a normal cycle and you'll be pleasantly surprised how well this works. Okay, this is number 1 and it's the easiest way to help get cleaner dishes. Before you run your dishwasher, go to your kitchen sink and turn on the hot water. Wait until it's steaming hot, then start your dishwasher. This allows the water line to be primed with hot water. It takes time for the hot water to get from your water tank all the way up to your dishwasher, which could mean your initial fill and rinse on the cycle is actually using cold water. And that initial rinse is very important to have hot water to get off stuck on food and grease. Subscribe for other helpful tips around the house.